Hello everyone, this is Angel Reyes. This time we are going to install a hard drive on a computer. This is my Dell 3000. I just finished opening and I found a lot of dust in it, to be honest. Basically, I kind of uninstalled the hard drive first because I needed to see how it was done. So what I'm going to do is talk about it and how to install a hard drive. This is basically a Barracuda 7200 from Seagate, 80 gigabytes. Um, this computer was bought back in 2004, basically. Um, this is my IDE cables here, which was connected to the hard drive, and also there was a bracket. This is the bracket that comes with the hard drive to hold it in place. And it's actually very easy to get to, but I decided to do it prior to recording this video. Again, also it was connected to the 4-pin MOLED connector power supply that comes from the power supply. And again, this is a Seagate 80 gigabytes. Um, so what I'm going to do now is basically go through the steps of installing a hard drive. Basically, prior to opening the the case, you need to power down the computer. Once you power down the computer, you need to um, remove the printer, the monitor, the keyboard, the mouse, and everything else you have attached to the computer. Once you disconnect the power cord and you're just about to open that case, make sure that you drain the power by pushing the on off button on the computer to drain all remaining power on the computer. Again, this could damage the motherboard. If you're installing a component, it could short circuit that component. Again, so now we are going to install this drive back in. Once you install the drive, if you're replacing one that is actually crashed and you got a brand new hard drive, you're going to need your Windows operating system CD that comes with the computer. Because once you basically um, install the hard drive back into the computer, you're going to have to format that drive that came brand new out of the box. The way you do that is once you install it, you put everything back, the power, the printer, the monitor, and so on. Leave the case open in case you need to go back and reset it or whatever the case may be. Oh, also, this particular hard drive has right here jumpers. So basically, this is my master drive. It's already set for that. And then you have the 40 pin, 80 pin connector, actually 40 pins. And then you have your where you install the power cord. Um, so so once you install that, again, you're gonna need your CD. You close everything up. You power up the computer with the hard drive already installed, and it's gonna go into the it's gonna boot up from the CD actually, from the operating system that you put in your CD, and it's gonna go through the process of formatting that drive. It's gonna ask you whether you want to partition this particular drive into two different partitions or volumes or and so on. Once it goes through the whole process of formatting the drive, it will basically is going to load the operating system at a time, where the operating system you just need to follow up the prompts and just follow right through it, and you will be able to install that operating system into the new hard drive. And basically, that's basically all you got to do. Um, then again, once you finish installing the operating system, all you need to do is make sure everything is properly running well, and then you can install any other software that you may have that you want from your backups. For example, documents and files, and then install any other software from the CDs that actually came from. For example, you might want to install Microsoft Office or something like that. Okay, so basically that's how um, we we install a hard drive. So basically, I'm not going to go through the process of installing it back again. Um, Basically, all I'm going to do is just put the case back, the hard drive back where it belongs, plug the power connector back into it, and the IDE cable. Oh, also, this IDE cable has a second connector here that you could either connect it to um, a second drive if you would like to. Okay. So basically, that's how you install a hard drive. Very easy, very straightforward. Make sure you read all your documentation that came with the hard drive, and also make sure that you read documentation on the computer itself. It basically has, mine has, I was able to download the system user documentation and also the repair service documentation. You can find those in the website. All you gotta do is Google it. Okay. Thank you and have a good night, and I'll see you then.